Hello? Hello, are we live? Okay, great. Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Zach, and this is my new YouTube channel where I'll be uploading videos of lots of fun things that include me setting up programs on my Linux machine, playing video games, mostly playing video games, and generally just whatever content you, the viewers, would want to watch. Now, this particular video that I'm introducing, you're about to watch me set up my fresh Emacs install with all of the necessary pieces to begin editing LaTeX documents, as well as writing and editing Rust programs. I will say that I have no experience writing most programming languages and have only gotten by because I know how to Google things. So I will say that all that will be very new to me, but I've been editing LaTeX documents for I think up to 6 years now or so. I've been using LaTeX to write research papers for the research that I do. If you want to know more about what I do, just check my channel About Me page. It'll tell you everything that I'm into and all the stuff that not all the stuff that I work on, but a lot of the things that I do. Now, I'm only able to set up my Emacs and all of these things because of the help of one of my closest friends, Brent Westbrook. He is a fantastic programmer and a great mentor when it comes to setting up stuff and teaching about all this neat kind of hackery stuff. So I'm going to drop his YouTube channel down in the description of this video, and you can go follow him and watch his markedly better content because he actually knows what he's talking about and what he's doing. Now, I will say that in the next few videos of this series of setting up Emacs, I could not, for the life of me, figure out how to share my webcam, which you can see now. Hey, look, there's Brent right now actually messaging me on Zulip. I could not figure out how to share both my webcam on the screen as well as having it present in the Jitsi video call that he and I were on. So you'll just have to bear with me and just look at the desktop for the next few videos. I will be able to fix this later. I will be able to fix that later. Also, towards the end of this video, or the series on setting up Emacs, I introduced my cats to the viewers, but obviously you couldn't see them because I didn't have any of the fun little stuff. So I'll be right back, and I will go get my cats so that way you guys can meet them. All right, hold on one second.
Oh, Scrubby! This is Winston. He's 2. He's the first cat that my wife and I ever got, and he is such a good little boy. He's currently asleep. Look at that little guy stretching his feet. Alright, so that's Winston. He was the first cat that my wife and I got, and he was a rescue, and we got him when he was about 4 to 6 months old, I think. So we've had him for a long time now, and we absolutely love him. Look at that face. Look at that face. Now, the newest cat that we've added to our little repertoire, Baba. This is Larry. Say hi, Larry. Hi, Larry. Larry is probably 4 months old right now, if not a little younger. He's the second cat that my wife and I got, and we've just recently got him. He's also a rescue, and we were fostering him. Give me that little foot. But we decided that we probably wanted to keep him because he's just a little guy. So that's him. This is Larry. Bye, Larry.
Well, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing the cats. Well, anyway, now that that's out of the way, let me just say that I hope you guys enjoy these next set of videos, series of videos, and let me know in the comments if you guys have any specific requests or suggestions of things that I should do, or that I should play. Like I said, mostly gaming. I like to play games. I'm probably going to do a Fallout 3, Fallout New Vegas playthrough here very soon, but that's not what this video is about. Anyways, thanks, y'all. I hope you guys have a good one, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, thanks. Bye-bye.
All right, what's up, guys? Today we're back with another Emacs video, and today's going to be a little bit different because instead of me working inside of a VM, we have a guest host today, my good friend Zach, who we're going to be helping set up Emacs on his machine. So instead of connecting to a VM through a terminal, I'm connecting to a VM over Jitsi via Zach. So we'll see how the latency shakes out. But anyway, over to you, Zach. Let's go ahead and get started.
Okay. So I guess you just want me to open some good old fashioned Emacs.
Yeah. So I guess Zach, why don't you tell us a little bit about your setup here? Is this Windows?
This is Wang Blows 11. No, I'm just kidding. I'm using KDE Plasma as a desktop environment over Arch Linux, just a base Arch Linux install. I have downloaded just about everything that I need so far. That's one of the things I like a lot about Arch is you just download what you want when you need it. It doesn't come with any extra crap on it, so everything that I have I've downloaded because it's just quality of life that I like or stuff like that. So that's what I've been using.
Awesome.
Recently, actually, within the past week, I've gotten all of this set up. I switched from Windows.
Very nice. And with regard to Emacs, you just installed this from the Arch repositories, right?
Yeah, I did that today, actually, less than 2 hours ago.
Beautiful.
And I've not opened it yet, so it'll be and when I say fresh, it's fresh.
All right, and what are we trying to do with your Emacs today?
So I want to get Emacs set up the way that I have it at my workstation at the office, just so I can start working and editing my LaTeX documents for the research that I do and that you used to do and stuff like that. So I want to get that set up, but I also want to get it set up to start programming in Rust. That way I can start learning and actually contributing to some Rust programs and software that you work on and that I would like to start maintaining and working on as well for for longevity purposes.
All right, sounds good. Well, yeah, let's go ahead and fire up Emacs. We'll see how it goes.
Okay. I never know which one of these. Do I want client or just Emacs?
No, Emacs.
I never know.
It shouldn't actually matter.
Dude,
okay, the first thing to check.
That was fast.
You'll see in the middle. Mm-hmm. Yeah, we'll slow that down pretty fast. Don't worry.
Oh, thank God.
This is Emacs 29.1. So for the Rust stuff especially, we're going to try to follow mostly what I did in my previous video.
Yeah.
Which is good. That means a lot of stuff's built in. Okay. Beautiful. So we got Emacs.
Oh, yeah.
Now, the first thing to do is to open your config file.
Okay.
Now, one thing to watch out for that I run into all the time on stream and in videos is that sometimes Emacs creates a .emacs file for you.
Yeah.
Whereas I usually like to put my config file in emacs.d/init.el.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and try to open that file.
Okay. Oh yeah. Sorry. So what is it? It's Control X, Control F, just for for edification.
Oh yeah, for the viewers.
For edification purposes, Control X, Control F to find a file. Let's see if I have a .emacs. I do. .d.
That's a good sign. Okay.
Init.l. All right.
Okay. Beautiful. A blank canvas. All right. Now the first thing to do. This is actually just for the video, basically. But if you could type open paren. Let me find the right thing. Set-face-attribute. This is just going to make the fonts bigger, basically, for the viewers.
Okay.
For you guys at home.
Set face attribute.
Yep, space. And then quote. Default. Single quote, sorry. Guys at home, Zach knows how to use Emacs, but he's not an Emacs Lisp expert.
I'm not a Lisper.
Yeah. Okay, let's leave it there. And then the next argument is nil. Actually, you can see at the bottom, it's already telling you some stuff. So this is set face attribute. We're setting the default face, so this should change the size of all the fonts.
Okay.
And then I think if you give it a nil frame, it tells it to affect also the current frame.
Okay.
So nil, and now we'll just set the height. So you type :height. And this is called a keyword argument for you lispers out there. And then I usually do 140. So these are in units of pixels, I think. So it's usually like 10 times the font size or something. It probably depends on your DPI. I'm not exactly sure. And then close the parens. And then if you hit Control X, Control E, it'll evaluate that.
Hey yo, man, that's pretty big.
What do you think? You think that's big enough for the video?
Probably. If I had to imagine.
Okay. Well, we'll proceed with that then. Okay. Uh, so what's next?
Oh, VI commands for sure.
Ah, yes,
Vim.
yes.
I want Vim controls, dude.
All right, so we'll go ahead and take advantage of a feature from Emacs 29, and that's the use package is already built in. So just hit enter a couple times, and open some more parens, and just
Sorry.
one.
Sorry.
Now just type use dash package evil.
So true.
Enter.
Oh,
Then we got another keyword.
ensure, huh?
Yeah, so it's a keyword, so it's colon ensure. But yeah,
Dang it. All right.
you got the right idea. T. You can set use package globally to always ensure, but I always type it every time. And then okay, another line. You can do colon config.
Hold on a second. Colon config.
Yeah. So we'll just turn on evil mode once it's installed. And then another new line is the normal way to do it. And then open paren. I think it's evil dash mode. And then I usually put a 1, space 1. Then close both your parens and control X, control E. So evil mode is in ELPA. Yep, okay.
Oh,
So it should be installed.
look at it running, dude.
Yep, there it goes. Yeah, isn't this awesome?
Yeah,
Like
that's actually kind of sick. Yeah.
you used to have these lines at the top. It's like require package,
Yeah.
package initialize,
Yeah.
check if use package is installed. Okay, you should be. Yeah, you're in
Yeah.
Instagram.
Look at
There you
that,
go.
dude. Oh man, this is awesome. Okay, great.
So now this is something I always add, and I might actually have to paste this to you in the call because it's kind of complicated. But basically, when you're in Emacs, it tries to be very helpful and it always creates backup files and
Yes.
archive files.
Yes.
So you'll end up with all this junk in your directories with like tildes at the end or with like hashtags around the file name and stuff like that. Autosave. I always forget what it's called. Yes. So I usually add these two lines. Open chat.
Weeb chat. All right. Look at
My
that.
config.
Look at that. Perfect.
And then you're probably going to want these as well.
Oh man. Set custom file.
So just to, while you're pasting those in, just to describe a little bit about what these are. So to some extent, I mean, the names kind of tell you what they are, right? The backup directory A-list just tells Emacs where to put backup files.
Yeah.
And we're going to put that into .emacs.d/backups. And a similar thing with autosave files. We'll put them in autosave list. And then what we're doing with the custom file is sometimes when you do things, I think loading a theme is a good example. Emacs adds entries to your custom file. So we can tell it where we want the custom file to be. Otherwise, it puts them in your init file, just like it pins it to the bottom.
Oh, perfect.
Which I find annoying. So you can either like go evaluate each of those, or you can type meta x. Well, go ahead and save. Whoops. I think it's eval buffer dash buffer.
Oh, do I have to be at the end? Like right here?
I don't think so. It sounded like you had a try it again. Oh, did it work?
I don't know. Shouldn't it return like a nil or a T or something?
Yeah, try it again.
Got nothing.
Well, a good way to check this is if you hit escape, go up to custom file, just put your cursor on it. And if you do Control H V and then hit enter. Yeah, okay,
there you go. Look at that.
Yeah, so what you just did was describe variable, and because we just set custom file, it updated the actual documentation.
Nice.
Okay, cool. So I think that's all of the annoying things fixed.
Beautiful.
You might want to save the file, I guess. Okay, cool. Let's see. What's the next thing to do? Now you can load it. Do you want to load a theme?
Yeah, actually, I was looking at the one that you did, dude, and I
Yeah.
was like, dude, that's slick. I didn't know I could do that.
Yeah.
I like the
So
dark theme.
okay, while you're experimenting, you can just do it with MetaX. Um,
Yeah,
yeah, you just type load theme.
load theme.
Yep.
Oh, okay.
And then, all right, actually, come on. There's something else you're gonna need before we get going.
All right.
Let's install a new package that'll give you nicer prompts down here.
Okay.
All right. So the one I like to use now is called Vertico, which I think is short for vertical completion. Yep.
Okay.
Yep. Vertico.
Vertico.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, same kind of thing as evil. Ensure t config. This time it's just Vertico mode.
Oh, nice. Is it Vertico mode 1? Oh, whoops. Vertico mode 1. Like that?
Yeah, I actually don't have the one in mind, but usually it's fine if you pass it like a positive number.
Okay.
Actually, I just checked the documentation and it says anything non-nil. So you can put 1 or T or 12 or whatever.
Perfect. All right.
All right, eval that. I think that should be an ELPA as well.
Yeah.
Yep.
Oh, nice.
Okay, now try to load a theme.
Oh,
Ooh.
man. Look at that slick.
Much better.
Okay. Oh,
Ooh.
look at that.
Yeah, that's why I like to install Vertico.
The one that you did was Tango Dark.
Yeah, Tango Dark is the dark theme I used to use.
I wonder what other ones I could. I guess I could look through a couple of them later. I'll just pick Tango
Modus
Dark.
operandi is also nice. Oh, it is really dark.
Modus operandi.
Yeah.
No, it's all right. I'll just choose Tango Dark for right now because I thought it looked cool. Yeah, look at that, baby.
Yeah, I like it. My website's modeled after Tango Dark as well.
Yeah. So, just following the syntax, what I needed, like, if I were to put it in here, would I do, like, instead of use package, would I do load theme?
Yeah.
And then, was it
Tango... Yeah, look at the bottom. Look at the bottom.
Oh, nice. Tango Dark.
I think theme is... It needs to be a symbol, which basically means you put the quote before it.
Okay.
Yeah, but otherwise, yes, pretty much.
Like that?
No, sorry, the Tango Dark part. You put it, yeah, quote Tango Dark.
Oh, I see. Okay.
Yeah.
And do I need to ensure and config, or do I just close out the paren and then it's done?
Yeah, just close it.
Okay.
So the use package stuff is for packages usually.
I see.
Some of this other stuff we're doing, like the load custom file, set queue, that's just like basic Emacs stuff.
Yeah.
Same thing with load theme. We're just calling a function load theme with the name of a theme.
Cool.
Yep.
All right. Neat. Beautiful.
So there you go. All right, you got a theme. You got Vertico. I think that should be good for now.
It's good. Well, I mean, until we need like LaTeX and all that stuff.
Yeah, of course.
I don't have any of the tech live, any of that installed actually. So I need to do that.
Okay, well, we'll cut that part. Actually, let's go ahead and fire up your terminal and get that installing so so we don't have to cut the video.
Okay. Sudo pack. Oh, hold on. I didn't do this part either. Oh wait, but I don't. Oh, never mind. Do you know what it's called? It's okay.
Now? I can mute. Yeah, it's techlive-science is probably the one you want.
But don't I need like the basic one too? Or does that add all the dependencies?
This will pull it in, yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, it's actually not that big of a deal. I used to install TechLive full, which was like 5 gigabytes, and it would take like an hour to install or to download, I guess.
Yeah.
But TechLive Science is not nearly as bad.
Yeah, and it's got everything we need.
Yeah. Yep, it comes with the American Chemical Society package. All we need.
Thanks, Axe. Oh my goodness. Oh, taken full well.
So is...
Oh, there we go.
So which one do you want to do first? LaTeX or Rust mode?
Oh, I guess it doesn't matter.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. That's why I asked you.
Oh, dude. Let's... Oh my god.
If it mattered, I would have told you which one was better.
Okay. Let's. I just did the LaTeX one, so let's shoot with that for right now.
Okay.
That way we can do some. We can do some.
All right. Sounds good.
All right.
Yeah. So this is another used package,
Okay.
and this one's called AucTeX. AucTeX. So I should mention before I get comments about it, there are other packages like this for LaTeX.
Yeah.
AucTeX is just the one I've always used. So
Okay.
I think it's the one you've always used too.
That's because you helped me
Yeah,
set it
yeah.
up originally.
Yeah, yeah.
I mean, I guess if people want to put suggestions, they can, right? But
Of course.
I
Yes.
don't. I don't know if I don't
I
know.
guess yeah, that's a good point. I should have said I welcome the comments, the suggestions.
Well, yeah, of course.
I have not tried any of the ones that you guys have suggested yet.
Yes.
So I'm still recommending AucTeX.
Okay. Sounds good to me. All right, now what? Oh, the insure T. Hold on.
Yeah, do ensure T.
Damn it.
Now there's one important thing to add here, which is defer T.
Okay. So does that go up here
Yeah, after ensure T, do :defer T.
underneath or on the same line?
Yeah, yeah. I think it actually doesn't matter. I usually do it on a new line.
Okay.
Okay, so what that does is it will not try to load AucTeX when you start up.
Oh, that's nice.
And the reason you have to do that, you have to do it. You can do it for other packages, but for AucTeX, you need to do it
Sure.
because there's not actually. I might have this wrong, but the problem is basically that there's not a package named AucTeX. AucTeX like gets loaded with the other LaTeX stuff.
Yeah.
So anyway, I think there's probably a better way to handle it, but I always just do defer T.
Okay. Do I need to do like AucTeX mode 1 or?
No, because you only want it to load in LaTeX mode.
Okay, so
actually, I think for now there's probably no configuration for that.
so I just can close it out like this?
Yeah, but I think you have to not have the config keyword if there's no config.
Oh, okay, that makes sense.
Yeah.
All right, so then I would just put it here.
Yep.
Okay. Gulp.
That's not very Lispy of you, but
What
we'll add config later and it'll look better.
Ah, jeez. Okay.
Yeah, this is pretty cool. So we might end up adding Melpa as a package repository later,
Sure.
just because I think it has a better looking version of company if you want company completion.
I feel like I would like to have company completion. Yeah.
Yeah. I need to mention this in a more direct video, but I got a couple corrections on the last video, and one of them was that you can actually get completion without installing company, just not auto completion. So you can like request completion candidates from eglot without company. But yeah, you're probably still gonna want company.
Yeah.
And the version of company in ELPA has those really ugly colors. But if you install the one from Melpa, it's like up to date. And it
nice.
reflects your dark theme and stuff. It looks really good.
Yeah, that's cool.
All right, why don't you go ahead and try to open a LaTeX document, I guess, just to
Okay.
probably maybe in your temp directory, unless you have one you want to look at already.
I mean, I have one for the paper that I'm working on now, but I mean, I don't know if I want to share it.
Don't. I gotta keep it secret.
Yeah, dude. I do top.
Wait, but save. All right, save this file. You're scaring me. I've been told that I save files like way too often.
Yeah.
But yeah, apparently it makes me nervous when other people don't.
Test.tech, baby.
Beautiful. Okay. Now I think this is a good sign. In the mode line at the bottom, it says LaTeX/P.
Yeah.
Now go ahead and hit Control-C, Control-M. So that should insert a macro. Oh yeah.
Oh,
And if you start typing document class.
Oh, baby, a triple.
Yeah, it prompts you for the document class.
Ooh.
This is AucTeX. It's magical.
This is awesome, dude. Article for sure. Options.
12 point, of course.
12 PT. Does it recognize
Yep.
that? Okay, perfect.
Yeah, that's exactly right. All right, open a new line. Control-C, Control-E. What is it? Document? Begin document?
Yeah.
Doc.
Oop. Dude, that's so cool. I actually didn't know that you could do this.
Oh, really?
Yeah, hold on. All right, hold on. I gotta write this down so I can remember it, dude.
No, it's okay. It'll be on YouTube.
Oh, dude, I forgot. Dude, it's so natural. It's like I didn't know we were recording. All right, let's see.
All right, now do here. Wait, you've got what is that? What's that boo womp picture you've got in your temp directory? Do you mind showing that on stream?
Wait, what do you mean? Where you can see my you can see all right, hold
Yeah,
on.
I saw it when you were finding a file.
Oh yeah. Okay, hold on.
So let me show you. Let me show you.
Oh,
What are you doing?
oh, okay,
All
okay.
right, dude. Oh, actually, yeah. If you hit, oh no, we need to add this to your init file. If you type meta x dir ed. Oh, it is bound. It's bound to control. Okay, yeah, just hit that. Yeah, enter.
Okay.
Yeah, go down. You can click on your boo womp. All right, that'll work perfect. All right, now go back to the LaTeX buffer.
Control X, Control B, right?
Yep.
Perfect.
And then I was going to show you another cool thing with AucTeX. If you hit Control C, Control E, so that's short for insert environment.
Yeah.
If you type figure, yeah, it'll like walk you through all the parts of a figure. So this is like the HT part.
Oh yeah, HT.
Yeah.
Caption. Boo womp.
Yeah.
Center always.
Oh yeah. Always.
What's the label? Boo womp for sure.
Perfect.
Uh-oh.
Oh right, it doesn't do the include graphics part. I think I actually have a snippet for this, but oh dude, and then you can do Control C, Control M to insert this macro.
Oh dude. What is
Although
it?
It may not know about this one.
Include file.
Yeah, so it doesn't actually know about include graphics.
Okay. Sad time.
But if you hit Control G, if you do Control C, Control M, so it doesn't know about include graphics specifically. Okay. You can still type a macro. Like if you type include graphics.
Graphics.
Yeah. With an S.
Oh, oops.
Yeah, it'll still do it.
Okay, perfect.
And the nice thing, that seems a little silly, right? Like why didn't I just type it? But now next time you hit Control C, Control
Oh, it'll be in there.
M, it'll remember it.
Dude,
and it'll be at the top, actually.
That's actually really nice.
Yep.
Don't I need to do don't I have to use something, right?
What? Use the macro.
What is it? Use package. Dude, look at that.
It should prompt you for
look
that,
at that.
actually. Wait, it should be completing them.
What is it?
It's called Graphic X.
Oh, that's what it is. Look at that.
Oh, I guess Vertico's not working here.
That's sad.
That is sad. Works on my machine.
Options, none. All right, perfect. Dude, that's so cool. Look at that.
All right.
Oh, wait, I didn't notice. The include graphics thing, it showed up as red because it doesn't recognize it. Did you see that?
Yeah, wow.
And then when we included it, it changed it to green. Dude, that's actually kind of dope.
Oh, wait, it might actually complete it now. But we won't be able to tell because it'll remember it from before.
Yeah.
Okay, that's great. So now save the file and let's try to like compile it with AucTeX.
All right. Control C, LaTeX. Oh. Okay, do it again. This is so awesome.
Yeah.
So now we got to view it.
Yeah. So actually,
oh.
Yeah, okay. So again, for viewers, for some reason, AucTeX always defaults to events for your view program. So what I usually like to do is go back to the init file.